All right, so here I'm going to start. So I'm going to go to More Tools, Clear Browsing Data, go to Advanced, and then All Time Clear Data. So that's done. And now I'm going to go to my course. Big blue button. Set up a new conference. And so I will go to attendees, and so I'll click on remove all course observers, and then I will uncheck the invite all course members, and then I created a group. So this is what I'm trying to do, just invite this group. So I select it. And this is the only people, and maybe, I'll just click this group, and then so on the settings, if you click add to calendar, then you'll have to invite everybody. So I don't want to select that. And now I'm just going to hit create. And so now this is created. So now when I go back to edit, just to make sure that the attendees are created or correct, they're all here again. And so now say I want to just remove them, when I click it to remove, and then it says remove this person, and I click it, they're still there. So yeah. So then when I click, then if I do it again, see, like it just doesn't work. So say if I wanted to, so I can't remove anyone, or say I wanted to select this, the section, because this is a selection, language arts 2B, S1B. So it adds a whole section, and then I can click this and it will remove that. So, and then even if I just select one student at a time, it still does the same thing. So I just have to add the whole section, and then just apologize to the rest of the kids and just tell them that that's the honors section. So I don't know what else to do. So then I can also use Brave as my browser. And of course, it's going to ask for my password. And it does the same stinking thing. So, and of course, I have to look up my password because it's a funky password too, so I don't get hacked, but whatever. Like, it's just the same thing. So I don't know what type of magic that you have, but apparently I don't have the same powers as you. So yeah, it'll say, oh. So now I can watch this. I'll go, conference, and then attendees, and then let me just select them one by one then. sticks, and then maybe this is going to work. So, all right. So now I'll just leave the settings like that. And so we'll see. We'll see if it makes a difference. Of course, same thing. Yeah, yeah. So thank you.